Welcome back to another riveting episode of Keyboard Shortcuts. Today, we're diving into the world of web browsing shortcuts. Ever find yourself swimming in a sea of tabs? Ctrl T to the rescue, opening a new tab with ease. To switch to the next tab, it's as simple as Ctrl Tab. Need to backtrack? Ctrl Shift Tab will whisk you to your previous tab. And what about when you're on a hunt for specific text on a web page? Ctrl F has got you covered. Lastly, stumbled upon a gem you want to revisit? Ctrl D lets you bookmark the current page instantly. Remember, our description box below is brimming with more details and relevant links. If you're finding these shortcuts helpful, do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to like and share this video. So, until next time, keep exploring and mastering these shortcuts. Happy browsing!